This is Populus tremuloides, quaking aspen, and it's pretty cool. You can see when the breeze hits it, the leaves will flutter. It is native to sort of the north central states in the country, but its range is pretty amazing. But I think the most incredible thing is pando. Pando is a Latin term which means I spread. And out in Idaho, there is a 105-acre mass of essentially one organism, and that's quaking aspen. And there are 44,000 trees in that group. They multiply by spreading root, and the stems come up from the root. You can see it's doing its thing here. So it's a pretty amazing thing. It's the largest single organism, at least in the United States, maybe in the world. So if one part of that plant gets affected, it could affect the entire mass. Again, 105 acres, 44,000 trees from one plant. It's pretty incredible. So this is quaking aspen, about 25 feet to 30 feet, 20 feet wide. So it's not a real large shade tree, pretty hardy, and it's different. It's not something that's like, oh my God, I have to have this. It's more like yeah, it's cool. And like I said, when the wind catches the foliage, that flutters. Of course, the wind isn't cooperating now, but Populus tremuloides, quaking aspen, and it's a little different. I want to give it a try. Good yellow fall color. The only thing you have to worry about with deer would be rubbing, because it is a smooth bark tree, greenish white. But not a lot of problems. Relatively fast, but not too large.